Welcome to Math Movies with Miss Feuer-Beck and Miss Vluti. Today we'll be learning how to calculate the volume of rectangular prisms. Remember that volume is the amount of space inside a 3D shape. And there are two different formulas that you can use to find the volume of a rectangular prism. One is the volume equals the length times the width times the height, or V equals L times W times H. And the other, which really is the same thing, is volume equals base times height, where B represents the area of the base. Remember, when you're finding B as the area of the base, you're really just multiplying the length times the width. So this makes sense. Let's try using these formulas to solve some problems. Calculate the volume of this rectangular prism. First, let's figure out the length, width, and height. So 8 feet, this is the length. 3 feet, that is the width, and 6 feet, that is the height. So if I go to fill in my formula for volume, I want to remember V equals L times W times H. So volume in this case is going to be 8 times 3 times 6. So I'm going to start and find the base, which is 8 by 3, which is 24. And then I'm going to multiply 24 times 6. 20 times 6 is 120, and 4 times 6 is 24. 120 plus 24 is 144. So volume equals 144, but I need to put a label, and it's going to be cubic feet. This means cubic feet. I also could say 144 cubic feet. Let's try another one. I first want to find the length, the width, and the height. And remember that again, V equals B times H. Remember, B just stands for the length times the width. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to have 12 times 2 times 5. 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 times 5, 20 times 5 is 100, and 4 times 5 is 20. So V equals 120, and I need to put a label, and volume is always in cubic units, so in this case it's going to be cubic centimeters or 120 cubic centimeters. Hopefully you learned a lot about finding the volume of a rectangular prism. Thanks so much for watching.